Namaskara. Welcome to a peaceful escape into the heart of the Nilgiris. We shall take a serene journey to Doddabetta, a lesser known yet breathtaking location near Doddabetta Peak in Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Located amidst lush green valleys and misty hills, Doddabetta offers panoramic views of the Nilgiris, peaceful walking trails, and untouched natural beauty away from the crowds. A perfect spot for nature lovers and those seeking tranquility. Doddabetta is the highest mountain in the Nilgiri Mountains at almost 8,700 feet. It is the third highest peak in southern India. The term Doddabetta means big mountain. It is a combination of two words, Dodda meaning big and Betta which means mountain. It satiates the desire of an avid trekker yearning for the best place to trek with its awe-inspiring views. The grandeur of the mountain along with the subalpine shrubs and shola thickets exudes admiration. The marvelous views of the sweeping forests of Bandipur National Park and the open highlands of Mysore are best enjoyed from the summit. You get immersed into the stunning beauty of the fascinating natural wonders encircling the incredible tall summit. The unrivaled beauty of the countryside appeals to you with breathtaking views of the highlands of Mysore. You can admire and appreciate the spectacular vistas from this highest summit. Owing to its majestic views of the tea estates in Ooty has been a favorite shooting spot for Indian movies as well. Although you can stop to enjoy the hypnotizing aroma and mesmerizing views at numerous places, the tea estate viewpoint near Doddabetta Peak is worth a visit. If you are planning a trip to Ooty, this place is a must visit. Thank you.